Hello everybody. So I am getting spoiled. Yes, I have a share. My daughter just opened her Happy Mail from Kimberly and her little pen pal Coco. And yes, they put in some goodies inside the box for me also. So I have to share because I just love it. I just cannot believe that they just are so sweet and they thought of me to send me such sweet gifts. So this card, little Dakota made for me, and I just love it. She had posted it on my craft page, so I've seen it before and I just loved it when she posted it, and I just loved it. She made this out of her coloring book image. She cut it, she fussy cut it, and I mean, she just added so much detail to her little coloring book page. Look how cute. She added glitter and some flat back pearls, and I mean, just gorgeous, gorgeous card. I love it so much, Coco. And I actually have a spot that I've been, I have this memo board that I have to have my hubby hang it up, but I'm hanging up all my wonderful cards that I'm getting. I just love it, and I just can't wait to display them, and I will show you guys once they're all hung up and they look so pretty, because I just love all the cards. And Coco, I love this card so much. Thank you for sending it to me. I really wanted it when I did see it. It's super cute. I think this is when we were doing our coloring book image card, right? I believe that's what that was, and I remember seeing it and I just loved it. And she sent it to me, and she put a little cute little tag, and inside the card it's super, super cute too. Isn't that adorable? Thank you so much, guys, for thinking about me, and I will show you what else they sent. So let me go get it because I'm afraid to break it, because I do not want to break it. It's glass. So let me go get it real quick. Okay, so along with my beautiful new card, I love it, she sent, bam, check it out, look at this. And she was so worried because it's glass that it was going to break, and I don't like to send anything that's glass in the mail because I'm always afraid it'll break also. And it came to me perfect, it was not broken. Check it out. They made this for me, look at that. It's an 3D Eiffel Tower inside the glass. Little dress form, some roses. I mean, just look. I mean, I love it. And I love butterflies. And she added some butterflies. And this is out of a glass. Look at it. Check it out. Let me go the other way. There you go. It's a pin cushion. It's for stick pins. Check it out. And she added another butterfly in this gorgeous trim with the bling going all the way up the stem of the glass. Isn't that adorable? And look, that is so cool. And you guys are like getting me so into stick pins. I mean, I am like addicted now. First Maria sent me some, and now Kimberly and Coco, and these are gorgeous. Look at these. I'm gonna have to try to make some, but I mean, I don't think I can make them as nice as these. Look how nice. It's a dolphin. I mean, just look how cute. And then this one. And check this one out. The butterfly. Isn't that cute? I love it. And with the purple and black, look how perfect. I love that. I cannot wait to fill this up with all kinds of stick pins. Look how cute. And they also posted a couple of samples on my craft page, and I was like, wow, that's amazing, because look, they made this out of a glass. See that? Check it out. So when they showed me these different styles, I was like, wow, that's so cool. And they actually sent me one. So, oh my gosh, I cannot thank you guys. I love it. I just have to find a super safe spot for it so it doesn't break. with my full house, but I will definitely find a perfect spot to put my new gift from Kimberly and Coco and little Izzy. Hi, Izzy. Hi. Thank you, guys. And yeah, Coco is my daughter's little pen pal, and she is packing up a package for you guys too. So it hasn't been shipped yet, but it will be real soon. So just keep your eye out on that. And oh my gosh, isn't that just so gorgeous? I love it, guys. Thank you so much again for just being on my craft page and having fun with me. And we're doing a movie theme swap, and you know, just playing along in my movie trivia, little quotes and all that fun stuff. So if you guys want to join us, we'll see you on my craft page. And you could also see photos of awesome crafts and craft ideas and shares and just wonderful things like this. So thank you guys again for my my gift. I absolutely love it. See you then. See you later, guys. I'll talk to you soon.